Welcome to the SolarWorld module production plant in Freiburg. Every day around the clock, a fully automated production process produces solar modules using 4 main production steps: layup production, laminate production, module production, and finishing. A main component of our solar modules is glass. Each day, 4 trucks deliver 100 tons of the 1.60 times 1 meter large and 4 millimeter thick plates. This safety glass is similar to that used in car windshields and is treated with an anti-reflective coating. The glass plates are fed into the production process automatically. A large washing machine cleans and dries the glass before it is processed. The purity of the glass is an important factor for the efficiency of our solar modules. In the second step, the glass is covered with a so-called EVA film. Later, this film tightly seals the cells, permanently attaching them to the glass. Latest generation computer-assisted conveyor lines intelligently control the production flow. The systems independently recognize which of the 8 production lines must be supplied with material. With this design, even maintenance work can be performed at any time without halting production. This process has been developed by the specialists at SolarWorld and is unique worldwide. After they have been checked and sorted according to capacity, our solar cells arrive in the module factory securely packaged in special carriers. Here, they are again checked for any possible damage. A robot connects 10 identical cells in a chain, known as a string. The solar cells are soldered in series, on both the front and back, creating the strings, which can generate about 5 volts of electrical potential. Our employees give close scrutiny to the string before the fully automatic production process continues. 6 of these strings, laid next to each other according to the polarity, create a matrix of 60 solar cells. The cell strings are then soldered together in series, so that the module delivers a total power of 245 watts DC. Now properly mounted on filament glass, the future module is sent on to further production steps. It's given a second transparent EVA film and a very robust rear film that resists the system voltage of photovoltaic systems of up to 1000 volts without any problems. The complete package, experts call it a layup, is subjected to additional testing procedures. The electroluminescence measurement, for example, reveals possible hidden cell breakage. The trained eye of our module specialists also helps guarantee consistently high product quality. Properly sorted into groups of 4, the modules are now laminated. A look inside the laminator reveals exactly how this works. Glass, films, and cells are warmed in a first chamber to approximately 150 degrees Celsius. In the second chamber, the EVA films are melted, while the air between the films is removed by a vacuum. Solar glass, solar cells, and films form the so-called laminate. The module cools in a third chamber, and after approximately 24 minutes, it leaves the laminator as a sealed, weather and shock-resistant unit. In the following production step, our solar modules receive their patented flat connection sockets. This is a seamless process. With welded joints rather than soldered joints, it ensures maximum adhesion even under the highest loads. In the framing station, complete automation also ensures the best quality. The frame elements are given the correctly fitting corners and are filled with a two-component silicone. Pressers then squeeze the frame parts onto the laminate and slot them together with the corner pieces, forming a stable whole. The module must once again prove itself in the flasher. It passes fully automatically through a second electroluminescence test, as well as the insulation and high voltage tests. Power rating is determined, and the module is classified under worldwide uniform standard test conditions. In the final production stage, the connection sockets of our solar modules are filled with silicone, which provides protection for the contacts against corrosion and mechanical load. When everything is correct, the connection socket is sealed and the cables are attached. The rear label gives individual information on the type, power rating, and production site. A last comparison of all test results and a final visual check by our experienced module specialists guarantees the proven SolarWorld quality. A robot sorts the modules according to their product and power class before they are securely packaged. The finished module pallets are transported by our logistics division to an intermediate storage site or are loaded directly onto trucks. Up to 6,000 solar modules leave our plant in this way every day. This amount would cover 1.5 soccer fields and can supply 350 houses with electricity. The production of solar modules can hardly be faster and more energy and cost efficient. And we are thinking further still. Today, our module plant already produces a large part of its own power. This is what we stand for at SolarWorld. We turn sunlight into power.